there, observation team. Test subject 667 here. Welcome to my habitat. And welcome back to Unravel. Yes, we're right back into it with our favorite yarn-based life form and his adventures through a strangely dangerous environment as the industrial world moves in on the rural one and we explore the memories of a yet unnamed person, but who has apparently had a fascinating life, and I am really eager to get back into it. I've been fascinated from day one, and I'm looking forward to finding out more. So let's get into it. We have gone through the innocence of childhood, the awkwardness and struggles of teenage years, and through some relatively painful and difficult memories of our adulthood, but we are not done. Oh, we've got some walking help apparatus here, some crutches here, so there must have been some injuries or just, I don't know, years of... Ooh! It's the piano! And it plays! Yay! I'm gonna play the piano. I'm going to play it very terribly because I don't know how to play the piano. And anyways, I've only got my little feet to play it with. So let's see what this brings us. Ooh, it's all snowy. Ooh, we're gonna be in the winter wonderland this time. Oh, a doggo! Hello, puppy! It's a puppy! Yay! Okay. So, here we... Okay, that's a little strange. Okay, I don't know why he was moving the way he was moving. But, yeah. Never mind. We're gonna go along... Ooh, we got a frozen lake. I'm sliding! Slidey slide! Yeah, that may prove hazardous. I see you, bird. I remember you. You stole one of my little tokens that would allow me to make the... Okay. Alright, that was surprisingly uneventful. To get to that, but never mind. Yeah, I know what to do here. We dealt with this in the last episode. When you have a box, you can use it as a springboard. I think... No. I don't think that has anything to do with anything. So let's just untie that. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. This probably has to do with secrets. So let's... Whoa, oops. Alright, never mind. Okay, tie it down. There we go. Because I'm going to use this for something. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I'm going to use it. Oh, okay. Okay. Never mind. I think I know what I need to do. I need to get that. And swing. Oh, but I need to get up there. But I think I know what I need to do. Okay. This all starts to make sense. We need to tie off there and make a springboard. Okay. Now we're getting the feel of it. Now we know what we're doing. And this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. I got the snow, I got the ice and the such and the stuff on the grass. This is gorgeous. What would have happened if I dropped on that? Oh dear. That would have caused problems for me, I think. Yes. Even though we are made entirely out of yarn, we can drown, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever, but you know what? Who cares whether it makes sense? Oh, I don't like the look of you guys. Booga booga! Uh-oh. Oh, this doesn't sound good. I don't know what to do. Oh. Okay. Somehow I think I need this. I need to hide. Oh, they don't look friendly. Yep, okay, now I know. Oh, no. Leave me alone. No, you can't have me. Okay. Swoop-de-whoop. Okay, now. No! Oh, no! I don't want anything to do with you. I am hiding under here. Go away! I hate you. I don't want anything to do with you. No! I always knew birds were evil, and now we have the proof. Swing! Oh! I hate you. I hate you all. Stupid birds! Worthless clumps of feathers. You jerks. You're trying to hurt me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm in my bucket. Screw you. Go away. Now, let's see if I can get out of here. Leave me alone. Alright. If I do this, that can allow me to get up here. No! Go away! Leave me alone. You're mean to the poor Yarny boy. All he wanted to do was explore some memories. Hurt me and stuff. Fine. Good. Now I'm indoors where there are no stupid jerk-faced birds. Yeah, I've seen this setup before. I know what to do. I fell down the hole. Be more careful, Yarny boy. Don't fall down the hole. It could be injurious to you. Okay, now what do we do? Well, I think let's try. Aha! Okay, and I think I still need Boxy. So let's grab our Boxy. Come here, Mr. Cardboard Boxy, or possibly Miss Cardboard Boxy. I don't know which you are, and frankly, I don't care. Alright. I think. Oh, wait a minute. I wanted that tied there. I'm just going to follow along that I need the box to go all the way. Oh, there it is! That's what I need to do. Seriously? I want to get up there! Oh, you know what? If I had thought of it, I would have gotten that box. Okay. Well, maybe there's still a way to do this. Nope. Tie it off. And tie. Whoops! Okay, no problem. I can still do this. There we go! Okay, this is entirely too complicated a way to sort this matter out. But you know what? I don't care because I want that secret. If I tie that up, should have just enough room to grab this. Alrighty then. And get that up. Oh, come on! Come on. Get up there and stay up there. I'll still be able to get back up there. No problem. No problem. We just need to regather our yarn. Now, I think that gives us enough that we can do this. Because all we need to do is get the box for support and climb up there. And finally I've got it! But... wait a minute. Oh, I can't go any further because there's a brick in the way. Let's go grab our box. And try not to make it... okay, it didn't fall. No! No! No, 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 no! Come here, don't fall off. I went through ages getting you up there, and I am not letting you fall over now. Now, I just leave through here. What have we... oh, we got some old cars here. Is that a Studebaker? Leave me a note in the comments if you know, because that looks kind of like a Studebaker. Okay. It's probably not a Studebaker. Probably some other car that was popular in this country, wherever this is that takes place. I know that's the back of a truck, or some sort of trailer. I clamber up here. Oh boy. Time to take some big swings. And up. Now, I need to swing enough to capture that one. Haha! I win that. And gimme that. Maybe I'm supposed to drag this over? Ah, yes, I am supposed to drag this over. Okay. Just get it over so I can swing as far as that goes. Alright. Don't think I can get there. For some reason, that redness isn't going to let me get it. But I can get that piece of... I can get this bucket. Will that let me get up on top of this? No. No, it doesn't seem to. But I think I need to drag this bucket this way. Alright. Well, let's shove this bucket down here. Oh, I can go under there. I didn't know I could go under there. So let's see where I can shove this bucket. Oh! I can use it to get another button. Okay, so that was just for a secret. Now if I tie you like that, maybe that'll make you a little more stable and let me get on top of the lamp. Okay. Well, now I'm on top of the lamp. What does that do me? Oh! Maybe I can... Yes! Okay, that gives me a springboard. Okay. Alright, now I understand. These puzzles are getting more and more convoluted. Just more and more difficult to solve, or just have these little subtle things that you have to do. It's really interesting. But we seem to be in this barn now, and here's the thing. I haven't run into any more memories. Oh, and there's that. Oh! Okay, so apparently that secret was just in my way at the time. But that's okay. Okay, let's hope that we don't get offed by any more birdies. Okay, just sort of clamber my way out and hope I don't run out of string. Oh no. Something tells me that I really need that, but I have no way of getting it. Okay. Well, let's try untying some of these. Or... oh! That got me there. So apparently all I had to do was untie some things. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I'm okay with that. So... ooh. Okay. What do I need to do here? Can I open this? Oh, good, good, I can. For a moment, I thought I was going to have to use the crank to get these open. I think I still need the crank. And I probably need to use a springboard to get it. Okay. Alright. I need to draw something up. Okay, it's still going. Still going. Oh, I see now. I see now. I think I need to turn it over. Okay. I have a feeling I need to take this with me. Because the birds are gonna... oh, there we go. Yeah, I had a feeling that was what was needed. Because I've got a bucket now and a whole heck of a long stretch to get through with hostile birds who for some reason want to capture me and kill me. I hate you all, and I've got a tank. So there. You can't get me. But I can get up to this thing. I said I can get up to this thing. Something tells me I may run out of rope. So let's just untie that. Clamber up this. I didn't see anything I could drag up here. Oh! I need to move this out of the way. Because there is something I need to use. There we go. For some reason it wasn't catching the last time, but you know what? We will do just fine with that. Okay. As long as it stays there. Alright. Need to get the wheel up there. Come along, Mr. Wheel. Yarny's such a strong boy. He can lift these things and manage to get all the way, you know, with these. Whoa! Don't get crushed. Oh, finally, a memory. Let's see what that memory is. We got a person walking and reading and with the dog. So maybe our main character, after that whole fiasco with the mine, I'm pretty sure it was a mine. So after that whole fiasco, they decided to go to start up a farm, just live a quiet rural life. I can hardly blame them. I mean, after all of that, who wouldn't want to? And they got a doggo. Give me that memory. I'm sure I'll get a clearer picture when we get to the... Uh-oh. You know, I really am hesitant to help you, knowing what you and your friends have been doing to me, but... I can't. I can't just leave him in pain. Alright. Come on. I'll get you out of there. You alright? You be okay? Oh, right. You're still stuck. Here. Let me just... There. You gonna be okay? You gonna hurt me? Please don't hurt me. Oh! We're making friends! Okay. You're gonna carry me away, but you're not gonna kill me. Please and thank you. Alright, you're good. You're a nice bird. I didn't think there were any, but you're a good bird. Oh, thank you. Oh! So after all the hostility, I've actually made a friend. Oh! Bye-bye, birdie! Oh, and the thing. The newest little yarn symbol is a bird. Okay. Well, I still think most birds are evil. But that one I will accept. I will accept that bird. Well, that was a very short one. It's like, oh, those memories tickle your toes. Well, you know what? Let us see. The letter. Yeah, what was with the title? We never even got a letter. What is this? Okay, the letter. No matter how far apart we drift, we're still never further than a word away. Why is it so hard to do then, when it takes so very little effort? Oh. So maybe the letter is from her friend that we met way back in the kind of where the bridge was when she had that kind of best friend character, and they had the level with the locks on the chain link fence, which I still don't know about, by the way. I'm wondering if anybody in the comments can tell me what that's all about. So let's see the pictures. Ah, wintertime in the fields. I don't know, whether this shows kind of fields failing or that's just that time of year. Oh, and all them birds, them stupid birds that kept carrying me away and murdering me. Which is, I guess, what you call all of those crows. A murder. And, ooh, that's a pretty picture. I don't know what kind of plants those are that are covered in snow, but that's gorgeous. And we got them people wandering through. He seems happy. I think it's a he. It's sometimes difficult for me to tell. But yeah, he seems happy. Oh, and then I think that's our protagonist. Just walking through with the trash cans and the stuff in the foreground. That's neat. Oh, and there's the letter. Okay. So that must be the letter from the person. Well, that's good. That's good that they're trying to make contact again, try to catch up. Oh, and there's pictures. And is that her friend and maybe her friend's child? It's difficult to tell from this distance, but I think that's what it is. Neat. Well, there's kind of a spark of warm cozy among what we dealt with there. I like that. So let's... Oh, I can get up that way. Playing music! Oh, wait. That must be the letter. So, that must be the friend and the spouse and a child? I think that's it. Okay, so what do we got? Oh, winter sun. Looks like we got more snow to deal with. Oh, it's a small child. Are we showing our protagonists now with their children? Kind of the next generation? Oh, I love it! I love that! Oh, poor Yardy. You fell in the snow. Oh, I love the snow pants he had. Whoa! Careful, Yardy. Something tells me that we're gonna have some real slippery stuff. Okay. I can't go any further, so there must be something I can drag. Oh! Oh! Oh, pine cone! Give me pine cone. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh, neat! Oh, that's cool! You can use it as a base for a snowball to get up there. That is so neat! That is so cool. Oh, don't go in the water. You will drown, you will freeze, you will become deaded. I do not want to be the deaded. Oh, 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 memory. Let me see. Okay, so we got people with kind of walking sticks or ski poles. I can't tell which, but that's cool. That's cozy. I like that. I like that. It's so neat. I like winter a lot more than I like summer, and levels like this with the snow everywhere that I don't have to actually freeze and get really cold in. I like those things. I love the detail. The detail of how he gets snow on him and it kind of falls off. That's really neat to me. I like that. Okay. I'm gonna. Whoa! Oh! I just hit the trigger by instinct. I wasn't sure what that would do. Okay, fair enough. Well, we're gonna try to get up there. Whoa! Oh, that is so cool. I love that environmental touch. Just how the snow kind of falls off of things. Okay, I'm climbing up here because something tells me that there might be secrets. Whoa! Oh, nope, that was exactly how I was supposed to go. Oh, poor Yarny. Oh, be careful there, boy. Because we need to drop that. Okay. Yeah, I think we need... I think I know what we need to do. We need to make a bridge to take that pine cone with us. Okay. Alright. Alright. Get up there. And find... Can't go any further. I did catch that memory, by the way. I know that there was a memory. Didn't miss that. I was just concentrating on trying to get where I need to go. I don't know how this is going to work. But my feel is if I've got a pine cone, then I need to bring it with me. Oh! That's what I needed it for. Okay, fair enough. Let's water down this trench. Oh! Okay. Oh! That's how we do. Okay. So I just had to break that through so I could get more yarn. Now suddenly that makes sense. I had to find the hidden yarn ball, and I needed a pinecone snowball to do that. I think now I'll have enough yarn to get by. But not enough to reach that pinecone just yet. Okay. Something tells me I'm going to need to get around for that. Okay. So, gotta swing over and get that pine cone. Woohoo! Alright. I need to push the pinecone snowball up so it breaks this? Or weighs it down? Yeah. Whoa! Oh, I didn't know I was going to do that! Oh boy! Yoo-hoo! Oh, man! Sledding! Awesome! Okay, well... Why not? That kind of brings thoughts of childhood. So yeah, I definitely think this is kind of the second generation of our protagonist children enjoying, you know, winters in among the snow. Okay, that is neat, and I love that. I love the sledding. That was fun. That was cool. Okay. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, that was neat. I didn't know that was gonna happen though. That was neat. What the? Oh! That could have been bad for me. Okay. Don't. Oh, are things gonna be slippy slidey? Oh, I don't like that idea. Whoa! Oh no! Grab hold! Okay. Oh, it's just going to be things falling down. Grab hold! Okay. That could have been very harmful for my Yarny boy. But you know what, Yarny? You're going to do just fine. Can you get over to the other side? Oh, listen to that music. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, the vocal swell. That is beautiful. Okay, I think I'm going to have to just sort of... okay. Now, hop. Skip. Jump. Grab and swing. Okay. Do not fall to your death and your doom. Because falling to your death and your doom is unhealthy and not recommended by the Surgeon General. Wow. This is so pretty. Oh. Something tells me I'm going to have to break through that. Okay, there's got to be something that'll allow me to do that. Okay. And whatever it is up here. And I have a sneaking suspicion that it's going to be a pine cone. Or a sled. Alright. Well, while I'm about it, I'm going to try to swing up. Oh, I can't swing up that high. But I think it's sled time again. Whee! Woo! Sled time! Rock on! Oh, I love it. That is so cool. I love it. I love everything about it. Whoop. But it does look like it's going to be pinecone snowball soon. Okay. So, just need to get it up there. Whoa! And down it goes. So we've got a drill. Oh! Are we ice fishing? Let's try going like that. No, we can't do that. Or can we pull that out again? Okay. Alright, alright, alright. I'm seeing you. So, what do we do? Whoa, 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 no, 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 let me out, 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 let me out. I didn't like that. Okay, let's just try climbing up and over. Okay, okay, okay. We got a smaller hole here and a bigger hole there. So if we use the smaller one to plug that hole. Okay, okay. And we get the bigger one to plug the bigger hole. Okay. That's neat. That's neat. Okay, okay. There, now we can get across. Oh, memories. Of course we're ice fishing. Oh, neat. Okay. So now we're kind of passing on the traditions of the main character went out with her parents to kind of explore nature, and now is passing on those traditions to her children. That is so cool. That is awesome. Oh dear, I can't get any further. Do I need my snowball? Okay, yeah, I think I need my snowball. So we just keep shoving. Yeah, that's why I needed those plugs. So that I could get the snowball across. Yes, okay. Alright. And we just keep shoving. Alright, clamber up. It's just enough. Okay, yeah. Alright, alright. I need more yarn because I am running really thin. Alright, now we go. I keep thinking that when he runs thin, he's going to start getting colder. He needs more yarn to wrap himself up warm. Oh. Ooh, okay. So we are doing some outdoor cooking? Something like that? Alright. And we got the kid. That's cool. Alright. Oh, I love the music. Such good music. Alright, so... is there any water in here? No. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Okay. Let's shove that off. And I can get it to go down lower. But it won't stay. So I need to find a way to get that down and to stay down. I still can't get that button. Oh. Maybe that has an importance. Yes, I think it does. Okay. I think I now know what I need to do. Oh, now I know. Now I see. I get it. I get it now. I know what I need to do. I knew I needed to get that snowball up there. Okay. Because I've now figured out what I need to do with it. I need to put it in the pot. Yeah, okay, so I can clamber up here and get to that. Yeah, okay. Oh, I missed the button. I don't care. What do we got here? What is this? What is it? Oh, it's a snowflake. Oh. Awesome. Oh, I cannot wait to look through these particular pictures. Because it looks like we're kind of past the really painful memories and kind of bringing ourselves into a more hopeful, happy time. I like it. Okay, let's have a look. Winter sun. Some days feel warm no matter how cold they are, and some things are fun no matter how old you are, and sometimes you wish a visit could just last forever. Oh, wow. Now that's a Christmas card photo right there. Oh. Now, ever since I stopped, I graduated from school, and therefore it had no use to me, I have hated snow. Because once you're out of a position where you actually can benefit from the occasional snow day, then snow is just a pain to try to get around in, and it gets in the way of what you have to do regardless of safety issues. But when you see it out in these kind of rural areas, it just looks so pretty. It's just that thick, pristine blanket of white stuff. That is gorgeous. Oh yeah, we got a barn and just snow all over the place. Snow on those trees, snow that weighed it down. That was a really neat thing that they introduced, by the way. The tree branches that were weighed down with stone, once the snow broke off, it would catapult you. I loved that. Oh, trudging along with the sled. I think I see a sled. That was fun too. I love that. Oh, so they were ski poles. Okay. Yeah, going skiing. I got the little youngin there. That's adorable. Oh, and here we go. Here's where we were cooking up stuff, making food. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. The idea of, cooking out in the snow. I like that idea. Oh, what an adorable bear coat. That's so cute. I love it. Oh, and there they are, walking through the snow into the sunset with those long shadows. That is a gorgeous pic. And just some more stuff, just power lines and such. Ooh, what's that? Got a big old tree trunk out in the middle where everything's kind of misty. That is a beautiful picture. And that's all we've got right now. What a journey this has been. And we're not even done with it yet. But the rest is going to have to wait till next time. Just really been enjoying this game. And all of you on the observation team that have been enjoying it with me, thank you. Thank you for enjoying this journey with me. And I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Well, that's all for this part of the experiment. If you liked it, please leave me a like and let me know. That really helps the channel. If you have a comment about this experiment or any other experiment I might do in the future, leave that below too. Dr. Edenboten reads them, and he uses them to decide on what to do to me next. If you want to join our regular observation team, and we'd love to have you, click that BidReg subscribe button. And if you want to try out this experiment for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you in the next experiment. Farewell.